everyone, good morning. Welcome to eSpin Training. I'm Nazira binti Rahman. Today I would like to introduce you about System Center 2012 R2 Microsoft Product Overview. What is System Center 2012 R2 Microsoft? It is a modern management across on-premise, service provider and Azure environment. System Center help customer gain an unified data center management experience with out-of-the-box monitoring, provisioning, configuration, automation, protection and self-service capabilities. You can now extend Service Center capabilities with Microsoft Operation Management Suite (OMS) to deliver a cloud-inspired, platform-agnostic solution to help you manage both traditional infrastructure and modern application with ease. Let's see the benefit of System Center 2012 up to Microsoft. System Center enables the Microsoft Cloud Platform by delivering unified management across on-premise, service provider, and Microsoft Azure environment. First is application focus, and second, simple and cost-effective. Third, enterprise class, and the last one is cloud connected. Okay, my dear friend, let's see the components of System Center R2. System Center 2012 R2. The core component of the integrated System Center management platform help you capture and aggregate knowledge about your infrastructure, policies, processes, and best practices so that your IT staff can build manageable system and automate operation. This is a few components: Operation Manager, Configuration Manager, Virtual Manager, Orchestrator, Data Protection Manager, Service Manager, App Controller, and Endpoint Protection. In App Controller, it's support for System Center 2012 R2 Virtual Machine Manager. Service Provider Foundation in System Center 2012 R2. For Configuration Manager, changes in System Center 2012 R2 Configuration Manager since System Center 2012 Configuration Manager SP1, Site Installation and the Configuration Manager Console, Site and Hierarchies, Migration, Client Deployment and Operation, Software deployment and content management, monitoring and reporting. Let's see what's news in Data Protection Manager. Data Protection Manager 2012 R2 update rolled out on 5 February 2015. Features introduced is Azure Backup, SharePoint, VMware and monitoring. For more details, update rolled out 5 February 2015. The new in Operation Manager, first is Fabric Monitoring, Microsoft Monitoring Agent, support for IPv6, Java Application Performance Monitoring, Fabric Health Dashboard, and monitoring the health of private cloud. Fabric Monitoring Diagram View display health state of cloud and on-premise environment. Integrating Operation Manager with development process, DevOps, new alert field of TFS work service, and out of the 3 run-book workers from System Center 2012 are 2 ancestor setup program. Windows Server 2012 R2 is supported in this release. You can find instruction to upgrade to System Center 2012 R2 ancestor in the testnet library. In addition, in System Center 2012 R2, Orchestrator has the following new update integrated packs, what we call is IPS, news in System Center 2012 R2, System Center Integration Pack for Microsoft SharePoint. Updated in System Center 2012 R2, Windows Azure Integration Pack for Orchestrator in System Center 2012 SP1 and System Center 2012 R2. System Center Integration Pack for System Center 2012 Virtual Machine Manager. Modern user interface with easy to use navigation, multiple browser support, announcements are now supported in the portal. New service catalog, rich search for help article, my activity and my request management, server caching to reduce database call and improve portal performance, available in 23 languages, rich customization. Okay, let's see what's new in Virtual Machine Manager. And the following section summarizes Virtual Machine Manager, VMM enhancement and other changes in the System Center 2012 R2 release. One is networking, virtual machine in cloud, fabric, storage, service, and the last one is infrastructure. Okay, my dear friend, this is the capabilities of System Center 2012 R2. One is infrastructure monitoring, deeper insight, infrastructure provisioning, automation and self-service, application performance monitoring, IT service management. Consisting of System Center 2012 R2, we got 2 editions, System Center 2012 R2 Data Center Edition, and another one is System Center 2012 R2 Standard Edition. Let's see about System Center 2012 R2 Data Center Edition. Is provide an easy and economical option for managing virtualized servers, include all System Server 2012 R2 server management features and capabilities. Each license covers up to 2 physical processors and the right to manage an unlimited number of virtual OS environments. For Standard Edition, it provides an easy and economical option for managing non-virtualized and lightly virtualized servers. Include all System Center 2012 R2 server management features and capabilities. Each license covers up to 2 physical processors and to the right manage up to 2 virtual OS environments. Multiple System Center 2012 R2 standard license might be assigned to the same server to increase the number of OS environment that may be managed. Okay, my dear friend, unfortunately we are finished our training. If you would like to inquire for other product or need for further information, just contact us or visit our website on www Thank you for attending.